Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and we're here with another community drive, another driving video in this series of covering Molynes Road. This is your first video. What we're doing is doing a video on all the roads that branch off Molynes Road. So this is another video. Today we're covering Brettford Avenue and Lorine Avenue. Two short roads, so we can do them in one video. So this is Brettford Avenue. It brings you back onto Bay Farm Road. So it's a shortcut from Molynes to Bay Farm Waterhouse, even back as far as to Spanish Town Road as well. It's a very straight road, and it was recently patched up, so a lot of speeding happened on this road. A lot of traffic in the peak hour in the evening as well. But Brettford Avenue off Molynes Road. So Lorine is to the left of Brettford Avenue, heading to Half a Tree. So once we're completed Brettford, we go on to Lorine, and we're almost finished Brettford Avenue. Again, guys, remember to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe as well. Subscribing is free. So in less than a minute, we're finished with Brettford Avenue. This is now Mimosa. We're gonna filter around back to Lorraine Avenue, which brings us back onto Molynes Road. So to the left would bring it to like Bay Farm Road. We're gonna take the right onto Seaward. So we're trying to go back onto Lorine. So this is Seaward Drive. This brings you out onto Molynes as well. We have already covered this road. So we're gonna take this right turn, Loxley Emmons Way. So this now is gonna bring us back onto Lorine. So now Lorine is straight ahead. So we're gonna go over Brettford Avenue. So Lorine is in a very bad condition. This road haven't been looked at in over probably 10 years. But this is Lorine. Alright, so houses in this area, mainly 4-bedroom and 5-bedroom, anywhere from 40 million going up, 40 million Jamaican dollars. Middle class community. You have a few apartments here and there, but for the most part, so we have an apartment right here. For the most part, it's single dwelling family home. Avenue of Molynes Road. usual, guys, if you ever lived on this road, used to live on this road, know somebody that live on this road, whether it's Brettford Avenue or Lorraine Avenue, just let us know in the comment section. And again, look, Bretford runs the left of this road, and I guess because Bretford is a lot busier and takes more traffic, they usually fix that one, but this one gets no form of fixing. So this left turn brings you onto Bretford as well. Again, some apartments here and there. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. So as I realized from we started this road, we haven't seen any other vehicle. The vehicles hardly drive on this road unless you know you live on the road. And again, they have Bretford as another alternative to drive on. Alright, so this is the end of Lorine Avenue and almost the end of the video as well. Alright, so guys, stay tuned for the next road that we're about to cover that branches off Molynes Road. So remember to like, comment and share, leave your thoughts, leave your comments while we tour different roads, different avenue, different communities off Molynes Road for this series. So thanks for watching. See you on